During its 67-year history, the legendary Corvette has enjoyed immense innovation and success. From Z06s and ZR1s to the latest mid-engine wonder, performance is something the Vette camp knows all too well. So that begs the question, what exactly does it take to make a Corvette truly collectible? Well, it's hard to answer such a broad inquiry, but we can tell you what makes this sweet C2 stand out from the crowd. For starters, it's a national award-winning classic that's been correctly restored. It has plenty of power thanks to a 1965 exclusive 396. And last, but certainly not least, thanks to a tough 4-speed and a retractable roof, it's poised to provide an awesome driving experience. So that brings us to the ultimate question. Are you ready for a super cool Stingray? For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.